Building machine learning models mean endless hours of coding, complex tools, and a team of experts. But what if you could skip the complexity and still get powerful, accurate models to solve your business problems? With Zoho Analytics' no-code AutoML framework, it's easy for everyone, from data scientists and data engineers to business users, to build and deploy models in minutes. In this video, we'll walk you through how to build an ML model in Zoho Analytics. The AutoML lifecycle has 6 stages: defining the problem, data ingestion and processing, model and feature selection, training the ML model, model evaluation, model deployment. AutoML supports 2 primary models: prediction and clustering. Prediction models are supervised ML models used to forecast future outcomes and trends based on historical data. This model has 2 submodels: regression and classification. Regression models predict continuous numeric values like future sales, revenue forecasts, or energy consumption. Classification models, they categorize data into predefined labels. Think fraud detection, spam filtering, or predicting customer churn. Clustering models. These are used when you don't have labeled data. These models group similar data points together, helping you uncover patterns, segment customers, or detect anomalies. Predicting customer churn allows businesses to proactively identify at-risk customers and take targeted actions to boost customer retention. Here, we have a sample churn analysis data. The dataset brings together key customer data from across CRM, billing, support, and product usage systems to predict churn in a SaaS environment. It includes details like subscription information, support interaction, customer feedback, and product adoption. To invoke the AutoML interface, click the Create icon on the side navigation panel and select AutoML. Choose the model type as Prediction. Then select the table to be used for training the data. Target column, or target variable, is the specific column in the dataset that you aim to predict. Here, the target column is churned. Click Create. Give a suitable analysis name and description. Training table and target column chosen will be displayed by default. Features are the input variables or columns used for training the ML model. Zoho Analytics automatically suggests the features most likely to influence the target column, while also allowing you to manually select additional features that may impact the outcome. Click Add Features to include additional influencing columns. Based on the target column selection, the prediction type and the algorithms are selected automatically. Click Add Algorithms to include more algorithms for training. Access the Settings icon to modify the parameter settings of the algorithms. Save as Draft option allows you to preserve the model configuration, including algorithm selection and feature settings, so that you can initiate model training later at your convenience. Click Create and Train. The credits are deducted based on the chosen server. Click Save and Train. Once the training is complete, a result tab will be provided to know about the performance and accuracy of each algorithm that was used for training. Select a specific model name to get a detailed summary about the performance of the training model. The model details and explanation and performance are specific to each algorithm selected for training. The Explanation tab provides details about the feature importance and partial dependence. Feature importance indicates which input variable has the biggest impact on the model's prediction. The higher the score of the feature, the larger the effect it has on the model to predict a certain variable. Partial dependence in AutoML visualizes the impact of individual features on the model's predictions, isolating their effect from other variables. Partial dependence plot is provided for each feature selected for training. This Performance tab lists the metrics or the statistical measures used to evaluate the accuracy and precision of the ML model. Metrics are the key measures that are used for evaluating the model's performance. The Confusion matrix gives a breakdown of how well the model has classified churn and non-churn customers. What if analysis in AutoML enables users to explore how changes in input variables affect model predictions? Predict future outcomes by modeling best case, worst case, or most likely scenarios. Once you have assessed the quality and fine-tuned the ML model, you can deploy it on a production dataset to which the trained model should be deployed. Select the input table from the drop-down menu for which you need to predict the outcomes. All the features used for the model training are included in the output column by default. You can also remove or exclude specific features from the output if needed. Give a suitable output table name and the prediction column name. Choose the data import type. Choose the server option that should be used for computation. The repeat option lets you automatically apply training results to new data. Choose the frequency in which it should be applied in the repeat every option. Available options are every n hours, every day, weekly once, monthly once. Click Deploy to generate the output table for further analysis. Once the deployment is complete, a new table customer churn prediction is generated. You can then create visualizations to act on the insights. The customer churn prediction dashboard gives a clear overview of the churn distribution of how many customers are at risk. You can also explore churn across region-wise, subscription tier-wise, and other key dimensions. These insights help identify the key factors behind customer churn, enabling you to take targeted actions to reduce churn and boost retention. You've seen how simple it is to build and deploy models with AutoML. It's your turn to put your data to work. Thank you for watching this demo. For further inquiries, shoot us an email at support@zohoanalytics.com or call us on one of our toll-free numbers.